Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to connect your computer together so that you can start to use it. The one I will be showing you is a laptop, so let's get started. So if your laptop is in a bag like mine it is in, so you just come where it is and just open the bag. Just open the bag. Okay, when the bag is open, you can just take out your laptop. Just take out your laptop, press it aside, and take out your power cable. And place it aside. If you have any other dongles that you might be using, you can just take them out. For me, I have a modem. So when everything is out of the bag, you can just place the bag aside. So if your laptop uses a removable battery like mine, I'll just press those. So if yours uses a removable battery, so if the battery is first removed, you have to insert it back. You should not charge, connect your laptop when it is not connected to the battery. And when that is all done, place it on the table or the surface that you want to use it on, and you may just open it up. And yeah, so when it is up and running, you just have to, I want you to follow this procedure. You come and take the cable, the power cable that you are using, and connect this end of the power cable, this end of the power cable. Look for the part where it has this one, and you just insert it in. Okay, when you insert that one in and it's steady enough, well, you can be using the type like mine, or you can be using USB-C. So the process is the same. After that, look for the other end of the cable, of the power cable, and go to your power source. And this is my power source, so I'll just come here and insert it inside. So when that one is inserted, make sure it is stable. Mine is shaky, so I'll just make sure it is stable. Yeah, right now it is stable. When you make sure it is stable, you can now come and power on. So yeah, it is powered on. After that, you just have to come here and place the power button to have your computer start up. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.